Vanakkam, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Namaskara. Welcome to another brand new video, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's a beautiful, warm, humid Saturday morning, and we are heading out. This is going to be a slightly longer ride just after the lockdown. So yes, we are all super excited like babies. So the destination for today is going to be Megur, which is about 300-ish kilometers from Bangalore. This is very close to Chikmagalur and the Western Ghats side, but yeah, it's going to be a brilliant ride. We are expecting some rains. It's going to be beautiful. There are quite a few bikes and a couple of cars as well in this ride. So we have 3 Versys, 1 R3 and my ADV 390 and a couple of cars. So yeah, right now we're heading to the meeting point, which is at Gurgunte Palia, which is about 20-25 kilometers from my home. So I shall see you guys on the road.
Channel here, bro.
AJ 390. AJ 390.
AJ 390. Okay, bro.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye. 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 Bye.
390.
Wait.
AJ
Hello.
390.
Haan.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
Super bike, bro.
Thank you.
Safe drive, bro.
Same. Bye. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are just about 3-4 kilometers away from our homestay. So yeah, this is the route we take to the homestay. There's a small off-road that goes up there. It's about 3 kilometers. But yeah, all the bikes are here, and the couples who are in the car, they should be here anytime. So let's get riding. Oh, not at all a bad location for a homestay. Yeah, nice. So that's how we've actually come from this road. Super beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So we just had a quick lunch, and yeah, this is the weather condition right now. It's been pouring here for the last 2 hours, and yeah, why not take the adventure out, get some good some trail shots, some trail videos. Let's see what's here nearby. There's nobody along with me because for some of these trails I don't think the Versys or the R3 would be able to do it, considering the road conditions right here. But yeah, this place looks completely epic for some real adventure stuff. Let's see what we have here, man. This place is just amazing. It's actually pouring cats and dogs right now. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture it. So yeah, really good. So this trail, what I'm doing right here is a small path that we were able to locate from our room, from our homestay. So let's see where this goes. We got a good 1.5 hour of a little bit of daylight. So let's see, man. Let's see. So far it's been a brilliant ride. Some epic roads. The weather has been really brilliant today. Absolutely not a drop of sweat, but tons and tons of rain. Just exactly what we wanted. So yeah, let's go explore the unexplored. This is definitely steep right here. Acha, pretty sure the GoPro is not capturing all of this, but yeah, it's quite nice, quite good. Oh wow, this small nice looking waterfall right here. Beautiful, amazing stuff. Wow, this place is like hardly maybe 500-600 meters from the homestay. This is just amazing. Oh, this is super duper slippery. Where is the road? Oh. Interesting. And all right. Let's see if bike is rideable here. Okay, this gets a little bit narrow. Looks like a okay, that's a dead end right there. Okay, let's head back, find another trail. That's pretty much from where we came. That's not sure if you're able to see it, that small trail right there, and we came up like that, and we ended up going there, but that seems to be a dead end. Not able to take the bike there. So let's see what's up here. Let's see. Interesting. There's not a soul out here except me and the bike. The voice might be a little bit off. I'm not using the mic setup because it's not waterproof, and the rains have actually slowed down. There's just slight drizzles, but yes, this is some real technical stuff. Very close to you know what you would actually do in a Kodchadri or something. Wow, this is steep. Okay, I think it makes sense for me to go to the other side, because even if I happen to slip and fall on my left, I don't fall off the plantation right there. Wow, this is just effortless. Beautiful. Let's go up. It's basically like a ghat section with absolutely no tarmac. And the rains have started again. Whoa, that was close. Woo! Go. Momentum. You cannot stop here. Yep. Keep going. Woo! Alright, let's go higher. Yeah, the traction control seems to be working well. Liking the way it is cutting off the power, but yeah, I don't think I would want to ride it without the traction control. It's super duper slippery. Just walking up the trail here to see if it's rideable, because at some point you would not be able to turn the bike, and being alone is a little risky. The bike is right there, just behind the tree. This looks rideable. Yeah, seems to be fine. Great. What a beautiful location. My god, this calls for a good photo. Brilliant. Right here what you see is the ultimate add-ons case, completely waterproof. Wow, this is epic. And yeah, this mounts onto the bike like any other phone mount. It's completely waterproof, what you see here. And this is how I mounted on the bike. There you go. Yeah, but really not sure how do these guys get it up. Just super duper narrow, and it's getting really dense inside the forest here. No matter what electronics or what bike you have, no matter what you do, the bike is just gonna go slipping down. And yeah, the best way to control it is, I mean, I like to have the rear brake pressed in, and you know, in case it slides, control it with the steering. That's how I prefer doing it. Okay, this seems to be, let's keep going. Just gotta be a little careful on my left. It's quite a big drop on my left. Let me just stop and show you. Yeah, so you're getting right into the clouds and getting deeper into the woods. Okay, I think this is pretty much it. Yeah. Wow. Okay, we pretty much reached the top of the you know, the coffee plantation. It's brilliant. These are small trails where, you know, the people walk around and do their stuff. So yeah, let's head back. Whew. Well, which way did I? Should be this way. Okay. Yeah. Kind of feel like I feel a little. Oh, okay. I see the waterfall. For a minute I thought I'm lost, but yeah, happened to see that waterfall which you saw earlier. So yes, I'm on the right side. right, a very good morning, and a nice way to say good morning with a helmet on. So what we are doing right now is Nishant and myself right there, if you're able to see him, yeah. We're just heading to another small trail that is about 50-60 meters from the homestay. They say that there is a viewpoint. So let's see how it goes. Looking forward for the viewpoint. So far, so good. Guys, noticed yesterday I was riding with the secondary screen on, and the view wasn't that all that great when I happened to check the footage because it was getting covered. But yeah, right now I've removed the primary screen, and this looks far more nicer on camera. And we've also got some good company since yesterday. There are these two dogs at the homestay, and this fellow is right here with us throughout the night. He's here. Oi! Yeah. Go ahead and give.
No, take the bike.
It's okay.
Take the bike ahead. I will come, then click.
Photo. It's okay. Come, I'll walk and go. Password.
Camera is on. Keep looking that side. With the view. Inside. No, ಕೆಂಪು ಮಣ್ಣು.
ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಲೆಸ್. ಆ ನಾಯಿ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಜೂಲಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಜೂಲಿ.
ಜೂಲಿ. ಯಾ. I'll go on the right. Oh. The GoPro can capture it, but yeah, right there. He's right there. Chalo. Down. I'll end up eating my nuts. Oh, this will make a beautiful photo, dude, here. It's a little uneven on the left, right. Oh wow, dude, now turning. if he says like this will you have to go back, no? Oops. He's saying stop. Oh damn, stop and do what? Oh. Yeah. That's exactly the question right now. We've got here, we'll see that later.
Yes, they lifted and turned.
Later we'll see. We'll figure out. Yeah, we'll figure out, it's okay. We have so many people to help us, no? Jayashree is also there. She'll just turn the bike like this, go da. That's all.
I used to work out like you.
Dose of some nice short 45 minutes trail riding. Super duper stuff. Nothing too technical, but yes, just the perfect bikes to ride around here. Really nice. So right now we head back to the homestay, have some breakfast, and yeah, push off to Bangalore, and maybe on the way look at some other places. So far so good, loving it. Gentlemen, it's raining cats and dogs and monkeys and donkeys. Superb. Let's go. It was a very trafficking ride into Bangalore. Everybody was out on a vacation. a chota small vacation. So right now we are heading back home. It's been a brilliant ride. So the name and the phone number to the place where we stayed and the location is in the description box below. Please excuse me for the wind noise that might be appearing right now because I do not have the mic connected. But yeah, so far so good. It's a brilliant ride. The ADV has really shined in all terrains, and it's been a fantastic ride. So right now heading back home. The time is about 9 minutes to 8 o'clock. So there'll be more videos coming up on the bike. I know a few of you have asked for what are the accessories that are there on the bike. I will post it really soon once I get a good use and feel of every single accessory on the bike is when I would like to give a review. But yeah, until then, you guys ride hard, ride safe. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.